my sweets! How y'all babies doing today? So I know it's like the end of summer, it's August, but I really wanted to do a swimsuit haul because I bought a bunch of swimsuits for my vacation earlier this year, most of which I did not wear. But I have a bunch of swimsuits, so I just really wanted to show you guys them, show you where I picked them up, and that's what this video is gonna be about. But also, if you're loving this look that I'm giving you, this vibes that I'm giving you, I'm going to link the video to this makeup look in my description for you to go and check it out. So let's see the videos. Also, prepare for my sexy body, because I don't know, Instagram maga body them, you know, and my sexy body and it's hot, so ooh, I have a problem. Click off no. If you're not ready for the sexiness, come off no. Yeah, I make a in a 1-2 piece and my belly I go bang. Oh, not ready? Let's go. So summer is supposed to be a nice fun time, so of course we're gonna start things off with this super fun Aztec print. This is a size extra small that I got from American Eagle, and it's a halter top, and it has some nice little string detailing at the front, so it can be sexy but not too sexy, but sexy. But okay honey, look at us, we're ready. The next one is from MAC Collection. Now we know neon green was the color for the summer, so I had to get me a neon green swimsuit. I like this one because it has like a shirt detailing, so it's sexy but not too revealing. It also came with a little string at the front, which I had no idea what to do with, so I just tied it at the front. And I love it because it has a nice little under boob out, but it's not like too sexy. But you know, I love this one. I think it really accentuates my body. So this next one is also from MAC Collection, and it is a red leopard print. It's also a one piece, but it came with like 10 yards of string. I know that doesn't sound long, but it's super long, so it wraps around your body like a million times. So be careful how you tie it. It might crease you up unless you know you're in that sort of thing. But I found that the straps were a little loose, and it's super high cut, so you know it accentuates your body. Oh my god, this Shein swimsuit was my biggest blunder. Your girl paid $22 for this because I thought it would have had that nice little flower detailing and it would have looked so cute. It didn't. The material is super thin and sleazy, and it honestly doesn't fit that well. This next one was from Shein as well. It's a nice leaf pattern, which are super in right now, and it's just a basic swimsuit with straps that go to the back. The straps were a little bit too long, so I need to adjust it before I go out so my titties don't fall out. This next one, ooh, I love a yellow on my skin tone. Yellow on melanated skin is just honey baby. So this is a nice deep V, which is super sexy. I got this in large. I wish I'd gotten a medium because as soon as your girl moved, her titties was out. This next one I picked up in the kids section because hello. So it's just a nice mint swimsuit with leopard print detailing, which was really cute in theory but not on my body. I don't think the cut is super flattering, maybe because it's made for kids, but you know, ain't no thing. So this next swimsuit is just a nice simple one piece, but it's super sexy. The print I think is really nice, and you know, kind of gives the illusion that you're a lot slimmer than you are, and it's super high cut as well. So of course, if you don't want to show off your body but you still want to look sexy, you can wear a high-waisted two-piece. Now this one I think really accentuates the body, sucks everything in while having that nice bone detailing at the front. Now, following along the trend of bone detailing, I love this little underwire swimsuit. It's super simple, but that underwire just makes it look that much sexy, that much nicer, and it's just happening. Look at your girl in this swimsuit. Are we talking about itty bitty? She wore an itty bitty teeny weeny black polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. Yo, this swimsuit is the tiniest thing ever, but it comes with this really nice mesh cardigan that just it looks so good, but of course it's a little risque. Alright guys, so those are all the swimsuits that I purchased recently. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and that maybe you'll pick up one of the swimsuits. Let me know in the comments which one was your fave. If I'm being honest, the two-piece is my fave, and y'all know I ain't got no two-piece body, like you saw it yourself. But that red swimsuit is like gold. You know, it's like I want to be able to put on that swimsuit and go So I'm gonna enjoy my journey. Yeah, that body you have now and it's hot. Love yourself. Okay? Okay? Alright guys, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, subscribe now. We got lots of content. Be sure to check out the video on this makeup look, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!